All work isn't meaningful work. It's very different. Just because you're working hard doesn't mean you're working on the things that are going to make the changes in your business. You are the most important person in your business. You're the one, it leans on you. And typically in the beginning, it leans 100% on you to do everything. Our goal is to make sure that you build a team and you can delegate tasks that number one, shouldn't be on your plate. And number two, you might be shit at, excuse my language, but you might not be good at. And that's completely fair. It's not about working hard. It's about working smart. The numbers don't lie. And if you don't know the numbers in your business, you don't really know your business well. We do need to implement the right systems in place so that they can become a repeatable, automated action so that it starts to run itself. We really want to make sure that we are focused on the one thing that's going to move the needle forward and make the biggest impact right away.